The Google Pixel 8a is gearing up to make a splash at Google's I/O Developers Conference on May 14, 2024. Expected to be one of the stars of the event, the Pixel 8a is rumored to be a solid mid-range contender with a design that mirrors the Pixel 8 series, but with distinct tweaks. Available in obsidian, mint, porcelain, and bay colors, the phone will feature a 6.1-inch OLED display with a full HD+ resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate, ensuring a smooth visual experience. The heart of the Pixel 8a could be a Tensor G3 chipset, potentially a downclocked version to suit the mid-range market. It's expected to offer 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage, ample for any user. A 4,500 mAh battery will provide substantial power, supported by 27 fast charging and 7.5W wireless charging capabilities. Security features include an in-screen fingerprint scanner. The camera setup is expected to boast a 64-megapixel primary sensor, with OIS and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera, promising high-quality photos and videos. As one of the first devices likely to receive Android 15 OS updates, the Pixel 8a could also benefit from up to 7 years of security updates, a significant commitment to longevity. Pricing for the Pixel 8a in Canada is rumored to start at CAD $710 for the 128GB version, making it an attractive option for those looking for performance at a mid-range price point. This detailed overview gives you a glimpse into what could be a game-changing device in the smartphone market.